Assalamu alaikum. Hi everybody. Welcome back to your favorite English class. I hope you are doing well and safe at home. Okay, today in this video lesson we are going to see chapter 4. Already we have started. The chapter name is The Frames. Okay, it's an interesting chapter only. Did you remember the story? Who is written the story? Satyajit Ray. Okay. Um, the unit name is Frames. The chapter name is Project Tiger. Okay. The chapter name is Project Tiger. So it is written by Satyajit Ray. Okay. So last class we have started this lesson. Once again I am going to sum up the lesson. You just listen. Okay. So it is very amusing to watch films with animals and birds as characters. So they are asking. Usually we will watch the film with human characters only, isn't it? So now what they are saying, if you are watching the characters like animals and birds, means it will be very amusing. Okay, it's very interesting, no? Isn't it? They are asking. But shooting for such films are often highly risky. I already told you. So shooting with the animals and birds are very difficult. So in this lesson, how Satyajit Ray took great pains. Okay, what is about this lesson? So this lesson is about how Satyajit Ray took great pains in shooting a scene with a tiger for his film Goobi Gaine Bahe Baine. Okay, this film, how he was shooting with a tiger. Okay, this is a lesson about Satyajit Ray, how he was shooting a scene with a tiger. Okay, so that day we have, I think I told you, isn't it? What is that? In order to shoot his film Goobi Gaine Bahe Baine, Satyajit Ray needed the service of a live tiger. So he want to shoot a film. Okay, for that he need a tiger. So live tiger, not a dead tiger. Okay, live tiger. Luckily for him, he was very lucky. That time Bharat Circus came there. Okay, visiting Calcutta. Okay, as per Ray's request, the circus manager agreed to send a tiger along with the ringmaster. Okay, last class I told you this and all. So Satyajit Ray requests the circus manager. So that time the circus team has came to Calcutta. So he was requesting the circus manager agreed to send a tiger along with the ringmaster Mr. Torrent. Okay, ringmaster name is Mr. Torrent. So he need a tiger along with the ringmaster. Okay. The shooting was taking place in a village called Nathangram near Surrey in Birbhum. The tiger had to come out of a bamboo grove into the open space. Okay, so the tiger, what the shooting scene, the tiger want to come out of the bamboo. Okay, bamboo grove means full of bamboo trees. Okay, into the open space. It's full of open space, and the tiger has to walk slowly. Okay, walk gently and then go back. This is a shooting scene. Okay, the tiger want to come slowly and it wants to go back. But the Mr. Torrent was not sure whether it was an easy talk. So Mr. Torrent was maintaining that what is this tiger and looking after the tiger. So he is not sure about the tiger. With the tiger, it is a easy task. Okay, he thought like that. He had never let the tiger out of his cage on his own. So he never let the tiger out of his cage. Okay, he never allowed. And then what happened? He said he would tie a thin, strong wire around its neck. So he was saying that he would tie a thin, strong wire around his neck, around the tiger's neck. The lorry with the tiger reached the location. So what happened? At last, the lorry with the tiger came in that location. When the door of the cage was opened, so the door of the cage was opened, and then what happened? The tiger sprang out. So the tiger came out. Instead of walking gently, it leaped and jumped and rolled about, daring its poor trainer. So the trainer is also beside him. Mr. Thoret also beside the tiger. What happened? Instead, the shooting scene is the tiger want to walk slowly only. But what the tiger was done is, um, instead of walking gently, it leaped. Okay, leap means jumping. Okay, jumped and rolled, rolling on the ground and dragging its poor trainer. Okay, and he was they having that what is the thread? Okay, thread over the neck of the tiger. So with that, it was dragging with the trainer. And then, but after a few minutes, it's calmed down. But it's for a minute only. After that, it calmed down, and a few shots were taken. So they taken some shots. Okay, some scenes they taken. But when the team returned to Calcutta and looked at the scene, they saw that the camera had failed. What happened? So all the scenes they have taken, but when they return to Calcutta and see the film rolls and all, what they have saw is that the camera had failed. Okay, the camera had failed, and the shots were too dark. Okay, they cannot see the film correctly. Okay, it's very very dark. So once again they sought the help of Mr. Thoret. So again they have to shoot the scene. So once again they asking help for Mr. Thoret. Thoret is the trainer of that tiger. This time the location was in a village called Borel. Okay, so this time the location they changed. Okay, the village called Borel. Though the tiger at first charged straight at the audience, it calmed down soon. First, what happened? At first, the tiger is not calmly sitting, and then after that only, after sometimes it calmed down. The camera worked well and the scenes were excellent. So this time, the second time they are shooting, no, this time the camera was worked well and the scenes were excellent. Understand? So here, this is the story, very simple story uh, about Satyajit Ray, how he was shooting with the tiger. Okay, so there are so many things in between. We have to again see that. Okay, once again I am going to explain you that one. So what is it? Film, I told you. The story is about Satyajit Ray, who is going to shoot the film. Gubi Gaine Baha Baine, they needed a tiger. For that particular film shooting, they needed a tiger. And Gubi and Baha meet a tiger and freeze. Okay, there is a two characters, Gubi and Baha meet a tiger and freeze. The tiger simply walks about in the forest. So the tiger simply walks about the forest. This is the shooting. And then Ray got the tiger from Bharat Circus that was visiting Calcutta at the time. So how Satyajit Ray got the tiger? Satyajit Ray got the tiger from the Bharat Circus. Okay, that was visiting Calcutta at that time. Okay, the what is that? Bharat Circus came to Calcutta. Okay, so that time he knows about that. What is the rule? In this, it is in the ringmaster who controls the performance in the circus ring. So the ringmaster is there who controls the performance of the circus ring. Okay. And then the trainer was not sure about the tiger's behavior when it was let out the cage. It was accompanied by Mr. Thoret. The actors wouldn't be terrified, but it would be awkward. So the trainer was not sure about the tiger's behavior. Really, we don't know. When the animals came in that place, then only we know how they it will behave. So the trainer also had a fear like that. and then Mr. Thoret's suggestion was to tie a thin, strong wire around the tiger's neck. So, Mr. Thoret giving suggestion, he wants to tie a thin, strong wire around the tiger's neck. Okay, but Mr. Satyajit Ray did not agree with that. Okay, why? He feared that the wire would make the hairs on the tiger's neck flatten. So the wire is around the tiger's neck means the air, the what is that? The head of the tiger's neck will be flattened. It looks very flattened. Okay, so Mr. Satyajit Ray doesn't want to tie the wire. So he thought of a collar made of tiger skins. In one tiger did not perform well, they could use the other. That was why he bought two tigers. Okay, so they brought two tigers. Okay, if one tiger it does not doing the work properly means they can use the second tiger. So they brought two tigers. Okay, when the cage was opened, the tiger jumped out and started to move about violently. Mr. Thoret was terribly shocked. So I already explained you. What is that? When the cage was opened, the tiger was jumped and violently it was moving. Okay, it's not a human being. No, it's an animal. So it's behaving in a violent way. Mr. Thoret was terribly shocked. So, the ringmaster was terribly shocked by seeing the behavior of the tiger. And then what happened? The tiger was let free in the open and it saw a number of people around it. So the tiger was watching everybody around the place. All are watching the tiger. The tiger also watching the people around the place. Ray says we stood around foolishly watching a new and strange kind of circus which we were getting to set free. Ray believed that the shooting was perfect but the camera had failed to work properly. So first time they shooted but the camera was failed. Okay, first time they were shooting the camera was failed. The second time only the camera worked correctly. As the camera failed, they had to shoot the scenes all over again. So Mr. Thoret was asked to give it another go. So what happened? If the camera was not working in a correct position, they have to shoot again. The tiger emerged with a loud roar and charged at the villagers. They all melted away as if by magic. So, once the cage was opened, the tiger behaved in a violent way. Okay, the roaring means usually the tiger will produce one sound. No, that is roaring. The tiger was required to walk over the spot they had chosen and move about quietly for a while. So what the tiger wants to walk for some time. Okay, that is the shooting scene. Ray and his team realized that the camera did its role well then. So first time they failed, the second time they took the shooting correctly. Understand? So this is the story about this lesson. Okay, so the lesson, the unit name is frames. The lesson name is Project Tiger. It's a very quite interesting lesson. It's all about shooting. Okay, how he what was his experience with the tiger. Okay, the author was describing what was the experience with the tiger and the what had happened in the shooting spot. He was telling. Okay, so all should read the textbook carefully. You are in 10th standard, you must read the textbook. So textbook reading will develop your English vocabulary and everything. Okay, don't read in your mind. You can open your mouth and you can sit one corner and you can open your mouth and read. Then only your English will develop. If you are good in English, you can write all the subject very easily. Okay, so read the textbook. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through phone. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.